Assalamu alaikum, dear students. In advanced accounting, today we discuss joint venture account. Joint venture is a two words, joint and venture. Joint means not a single. Joint means two or more persons. Ventures which we have to do some work. Now, if we see the definition of the joint venture is a combination of two or more persons into a single activity. It is a form of partnership. There are many reasons for a joint venture. A joint venture is undertaken when different persons have mutual advantages in tackling a particular business venture together. For example, an individual may be in particular advantageous positions to buy goods exceptionally cheap but lacks capital. An associate might agree to provide the capital to finance the whole project. When the respective advantages of the parties are pooled together, the persons can undertake a joint venture for mutual profit. Some features of a joint venture: it is specific partnership. It doesn't entail a continuing partnership since termination is certain. The business is dissolved after the venture is terminated. Many accounting concepts are not applicable, such as going concerns concept. Ascertainment of income is relatively simple. All the assets are ultimately received in cash, and all the liabilities are paid in cash. It doesn't use a firm's name generally. Now we see the difference between the partnership and joint venture. If we see partnership, it is a going concern, and joint venture is a terminable venture. Partnership always has a name, but joint venture not bear a name. In partnership, persons carrying on business are called partners, but in joint venture, persons carrying on business are called co-venturers. Profit are ascertained in regularly interval annually in partnership. In joint venture, the profits are ascertained of each ventures separately. Now we discuss the methods of joint venture. There are two methods of joint venture. First method is when a separate set of books is kept for the joint venture. Second, when no separate set of books is kept for the joint venture. Two methods, separate, not separate. First, we discuss separate set of books. In separate set of books, if we see, there are three accounts which we prepare separate. First is a joint bank account. Second, co-ventures account. And third is joint venture account. Now we see one by one. If we see the joint bank account, it is simple as cash book. The amounts contributed by the co-ventures and sale proceeds. The joint bank account is debited, and on the purchase of goods and expenses, joint bank account is credited. If we see the co-ventures account, when co-ventures contribute the amount for joint venture, then they are credited. If they withdrawals, then they are debited. And also if the goods are supplies by the co-ventures, then co-ventures is also credited. If they withdraw the goods or cash, then they are credited. The third is joint venture account. It is the nature of trading profit and loss account and is provided to ascertain the profit or loss on joint venture. Goods purchased, goods supplies by the co-venturers, expenses incurred, etc. are debited to this account, and sale proceeds, unsold stock, and is credited to this account. Finally, the balance represents profit or loss on the venture, which is transferred to co-ventures account with their profit sharing ratio. Dear students, now we discuss the entries which are passed in the separate set of books. Now, one by one, we see the entries. First entry for cash contribution by the venturers. Joint bank account debit and co-ventures account credit. Second, for goods purchased out of joint bank account, joint venture account debit, joint bank account credit. Third, for goods purchased on credit, joint venture account debit, creditors or account payables are credit. Next, fourth, when goods are supplied by the co-venturers, joint venture account debit, co-venturers account credit. For expenses paid from joint bank account, joint venture account debit, joint venture account debit and joint bank account credit. For expenses paid by the co-venturers, joint venture account debit or co-venturers account credit. Next, entry for goods sold in cash, joint bank account debit, joint venture account credit. Next, for goods sold by co-venturers who kept the sale proceeds for own purpose. Co-venturer account debit, joint venture account credit. Next, for goods sold on credit, sundry debtor or account receivables debit, joint venture account credit. For goods taken over by the co-venturers, co-venturers debit, joint venture account credit. For collection from debtors, joint bank account debit, sundry debtors or account receivable credit. For bad debts, joint venture account debit, sundry debtor or creditors credit. For bad debts, joint venture account debit, sundry debtor or account receivable credit. Next, third, for payment to creditors, creditors to joint bank account. For commission payable by any managing venture, for commission payable by any managing partner, venturer, joint venture account debit, co-venturers account credit. After passing the above entries, the balance of the joint venture account will show the profit or loss on venture. If the credit side is greater, then there is a profit and the entry will be joint venture account debit, co-venturers account credit. The amount with their profit sharing ratio will be distributed among the co-venturers. If the debit side is greater, then there is a loss and the loss will be divided into the co-venturers account with their profit sharing ratio. Entry is co-venturers debit, joint venture account credit. Now we see the co-venturers account and the joint bank account. These accounts show the sum balances. The sum total of the co-venturers account must be equivalent to the joint bank account. Next, for final settlement, if any of the co-venture account shows debit balance, he will bring in money and the entry is joint bank account debit, co-venture account credit. Now the credit balance of the co-ventures will be paid off. Co-ventures account debit, joint bank account credit. Dear students, if you want to see this chapter, you can see your books page 348 to 350. If you have any problem, you contact with me on my personal number and as well as on chat, as well as on WhatsApp. Thank you. Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum.